Okay, so here's my quick down and dirty on Calypso Blessing. Click on Calypso Blessing and you will see down at the bottom a gold bar that says how much it's going to cost you to use Calypso Blessing. By pushing that, you are spending that much gold and that much Calypso tokens in order to be able to roll for increased stats. Those stats are random and they are random amounts and randomly assigned. As you can see with this ship that I have now, it allows me to exclude one stat because I am above that 20% mark. Once you go above 25%, I believe, then you are allowed to exclude up to 2 stats. Why you want to exclude stats is because I would rather have a chance at rolling increased stats in areas or the categories that will offer the most benefit. For example, durability, ship power, armor, and I don't want to get a bunch of stats in total capacity because I want to be able to fight with my ships and not send them out to collect resource. So when you start off, you're not going to have this ability to exclude a stat, but you will once you hit that 20% mark. You'll push that button at the bottom and it will randomly assign you a percent increase, and that percent is broken down on the right hand side as far as which category got what increase. For example, for me, I have 22% in this ship with total capacity of 5.4%, ship versus pirate powered 7.7%, voyage speed 8.7%, totaling 22%. Again, very random. You have the ability to accept that or decline it. If you decline it, then your ship will not take on those new stats, and if you accept it, those stats are then permanent. The Calypso Blessing will stay with that ship and that ship only. So if you were to upgrade that ship using a tier up ticket, that is still considered the same ship, and therefore the Calypso Blessing will go on to the next tier ship. But if you were to lose this ship or sell this ship and replace it with another ship, you will lose your Calypso Blessing. The blessing is permanent. I will show you real fast that I do have Calypso Blessing, 33%, 22%, 32%. And when you start getting up there in percentages, as you can see, oh, I guess that one isn't very much, but some of these are pretty expensive. Well, that's not very much either. I wonder why it dropped. But anyway, as you re-roll and re-roll, it can start cost you more and more, but the buff is permanent.